Jet lag ako kaya naka-shade sa konti.
Okay.
Jet lag ng konti. Okay lang.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
My advice is to be just to follow wherever your heart leads you. Yeah, nice to be here again in Cebu. I'm always here in Cebu. I love it. This time we're here for the Philippines and Idol. Ano yun ba? Ano po yung kailangan yung sombrero? Plan is to stay with San Miguel. As long as they want me to. But yeah, we have, aside from, October's coming up also, diba? So a lot of good things. I think one thing I like about San Miguel is the core of the brand, diba? So, samahang walang iwanan, diba? Parang it's all about friendship and family and celebration. So, tuloy-tuloy lang yung plano to celebrate.
Ready yung tubig.
Okay tayo.
What about actually opening it? Right.
Matulog ako sa tour.
Ay, pwede ba?
Relax